Which are your favorite kind of bras?
Neon colors with designer straps.
Mine is slightly padded but not wired at all.
Push up, wired.
Wired.
The normal ones.
Push up.
For me, it's balconette. It's sexier than the other versions.
Hey there, this is Drashti and you're watching Being Insane. So people, today it's going to be very interesting as we are on the shopping streets, and guess what the topic for today for our conversations is? Today we're going to understand a lot and have opinions from people a lot more about lingerie shopping. We are here on the shopping street, very popular. So I'll ask the gentleman first, have you ever been with your girl to a lingerie shopping moment?
Of course, a lot of times actually.
Have your guys, like male friends or your boyfriends, have ever accompanied you for your lingerie shopping?
Yeah.
Never.
Yes.
Yeah?
No.
No.
No. नहीं.
Sach batao.
नहीं.
Yeah, I've done that.
So do you find it awkward to go along?
No, I don't. No.
But दिया बहुत कुछ है.
But दिया बहुत कुछ है. Okay, so actually you've shopped lingerie for your girlfriend. क्या बात है? So आपने कभी अपनी girlfriend को recommend किया कि ये color माशाल्लाह अच्छा लगेगा?
Black.
Black.
Red. No color.
Preferred nude.
Blue.
Oh, this man likes blue.
Red and pink are the most appealing.
Lovely, appealing colors.
And black also to a point.
As you see, people, it's actually a tough day because we're not finding these real cute, handsome guys to answer our questions. So I decided to ask these funky men up here. Let's check it out from them. From the lady, I want to understand. So if you go across this lingerie shop, so the moment we enter the shop, there's this guy who can scan you and he figures out your size like that.
Yeah, many a time.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it's happened.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really uncomfortable.
क्या मतलब टेक्निक क्या है उनकी?
They have X-rays.
They have their own perceptions. Okay, you know, this age group and this size, they'll have this size 32 or something, whatever.
They usually interfere a lot. Madam ये वाला, you know, madam ये वाला.
मतलब they have those comments also. मैडम ये आप पे
Exactly. Their personal preferences.
Could you name me 3 kind of bras?
Bikini. Parrot. Sports.
Okay, I'm going to give you a quick hint. There is this kind of type of a bra that females and ladies use to lift up their breasts. What is that called?
Push up bra. Sports bra.
Yeah.
Push up.
Push up. Yeah.
Right. And the basic one, normal.
So this is something that ladies use to lift up their breasts. What is that called?
Push up bra.
Padded one. The push-up one. And of course the bikini.
All right, people. So as you saw, आज का topic काफी interesting, colorful और vibrant रहा, and we figured out, hello, excuse me, the focus should be here on me. I know there are many few interesting things in and around me, and I'm sure you have your definite crazy experiences. So please write it up to us in the comment section and like, follow, share, and subscribe. Being Insane, this is Drashti Bajar signing off. You can continue with your looks.